So y'all, we just made it to the rodeo. It's a little nippy out. I should wear my little coat. It smells good. They got the barbecue going. They got the little corner over there.
Oh my God.
Girl, we looking like real cowgirls. Child. I'm like, everybody gonna be staring at us. Like,
that's what I'm saying. I was like,
well, if they gonna stare, you better. Period. Oh. Look at the cowgirl. Ride them, cowgirl. We should have went horseback riding. Guys, look at her! She a pro, you see her? So y'all, we leaving the rodeo now. We about to head back. It's cold and I don't have no jacket on. Everybody got on long sleeves but me. So we about to head back to the Airbnb for a little bit. And then we're heading to Daisy Dukes, which is like a country bar. So stay tuned. Stay tuned or whatever.
And be with the gang.
Yes. Gang gang. So we're about to head back out. We're currently in the Airbnb. Oh, she 1 minute away. Oh, shit. Oh, she 1 minute away. 2 minutes now, 2 minutes. It took Kay so long to get off the couch. It took her, she did like 3 tries and she could not get up.
Yo, I ain't even about to attempt to go.
So what y'all want me to do?
Nothing, we gonna go.
So y'all, I'm not taking my camera to the bar, so I'm gonna get some footage on my phone. So I'll see y'all. Oh, this Audi nice. Look at me. Yes, we riding in style, honey. Oh, this is nice. Oh, shit.
What's going on?
What's up?
What's going
So it's like 3 in the morning. And we're just gonna get in the house. Take my makeup off. So we ended up going to some little bar. It wasn't the original plan. We were supposed to go to Daisy Dukes, but we ended up going somewhere else. We went to a daiquiri shop. We got daiquiris, and then we found this little cute bar that was down the street. See, I'm about to take my makeup off, and I'm about to get into bed and get ready for tomorrow because we got a bunch of stuff to do tomorrow as well. So. I'm about to go to bed, so I'll see y'all in the morning. Bye, guys.
Hey!
let me show you guys my outfit. So I have on this little jean jacket with this little baby doll dress. And I have my cowgirl boots on. Yes. So we are about to head out to get something to eat. And then we're heading to the Fomo factory after that. And so we got a reservation for a fancy restaurant. We have a reservation for a fancy restaurant tonight. So that's where we're having dinner at. So yeah, I'm going to see y'all once we get to brunch.